Have you ever started building a Google form and then realized you were not sure which question type to use? Choosing the wrong format can confuse respondents and make your form harder to complete. Knowing how each Google Forms question type works can help you collect clearer answers and create a smoother experience for everyone filling out your form. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video we will walk through all 12 Google Forms question types and explain when to use each one. We will also look at similar options available in Jotform and cover extra features that can make forms more flexible and easier to manage for your business or team. Let's get started. The first question type is multiple choice. This format works best when you want someone to pick one answer from a list of options. Respondents can only choose a single response, which makes it useful for surveys, quizzes, and feedback forms where only one answer should apply. Google Forms also lets you add an other option so users can type a custom response if needed. Jotform also includes a single choice field that gives you more control over layouts, answer choices, and form logic. Multiple choice questions are simple, familiar, and easy for respondents to answer quickly. Next are checkbox questions. Unlike multiple choice questions, checkboxes allow respondents to select more than one answer from a list. This makes them useful for questions about interests, preferences, features used, or anything else where several answers may apply. You can also include an other option for additional responses. Jotform also supports checkbox fields for flexible form building and customization. The biggest difference between multiple choice and checkboxes comes down to the number of answers allowed. Multiple choice limits people to one answer, while checkboxes support several selections at once. The third format is the multiple choice grid. This question type arranges answers in rows and columns so respondents can answer several related questions using the same set of options. It works well for ratings, comparisons, and collecting feedback across multiple categories. Google Forms can also limit responses to one answer per column if needed. Jotform includes a similar grid-style question type that helps organize surveys and evaluations clearly. It can also be built using AI-powered form tools for faster setup. The fourth option is the Checkbox Grid. This format is very similar to the multiple choice grid, except respondents can check multiple answers within each row. It is useful when several responses may apply to each category. You can still limit selections to one answer if necessary. Jotform supports checkbox grid layouts and includes workflow automation features that help connect forms, trigger actions, and support conditional logic. When comparing the checkbox grid to the multiple choice grid, the main difference is how answers are selected and displayed. Another popular question type is the drop-down menu. Drop-down questions let respondents choose one answer from a collapsible list. This is especially helpful when you have many options but want to keep your form clean and compact. Common examples include choosing a country, department, or time zone. Google Forms also allows drop-down answers to direct respondents to specific sections based on what they choose. Jotform offers the same style field when adding QR code forms and CRM integrations for deeper customization and management options. The sixth question type is the linear scale. This format lets respondents rate something using a numbered scale, usually from 0 to 10. Linear scales are commonly used for satisfaction surveys, agreement ratings, and measuring likelihood. They are simple to answer and easy to analyze later. Jotform includes a similar rating scale option and also gives users access to thousands of ready-made templates for faster form creation. Now let's look at short answer questions. These fields allow respondents to type a brief response in a single line of text. They work well for collecting names, email addresses, job titles, or short comments. Google Forms can also limit the maximum number of characters entered. Jotform offers the same short text field while supporting extra widgets, integrations, and design customizations. Short answer questions are best when you need quick and direct information from respondents without requiring long explanations. The eighth option is the paragraph field. Paragraph questions are designed for longer written responses and detailed feedback. They give respondents more space to explain ideas, opinions, or experiences in their own words. This format works well for open-ended questions and detailed comments. Jotform supports long text questions with its paragraph field and is often chosen by users looking for more advanced customization features than Google Forms provides. Compared to short answer fields, paragraph questions focus on longer responses instead of quick entries. Next is the date field. This question type allows respondents to choose a calendar date directly from inside the form. It is useful for appointments, scheduling, event registrations, collecting birth dates, or tracking deadlines. Google Forms includes a built-in date picker to keep answers consistent. Jotform supports date fields too, while giving users additional control over formatting and scheduling integrations. You can also include the year and even add time information when needed. The 10th question type is file upload. This allows respondents to attach documents, images, resumes, assignments, or other files directly inside a form. Uploaded files are automatically stored in Google Drive, making them easy for form owners to access later. Google Forms also allows limits on file types, file sizes, and the number of uploads. Jotform includes similar upload capabilities with customizable restrictions and integrations. File uploads are especially useful when forms need supporting materials or additional documentation attached to submissions. Another useful option is the rating question type. Ratings allows respondents to leave quick feedback using symbols like stars, hearts, or thumbs up icons. These questions usually use scales between 3 and 10 and are designed for fast responses. Some users try and use this format for ranking questions, although it often requires extra setup. Jotform offers a built-in rating field that simplifies visual feedback collection. Rating questions work well when you want fast reactions without requiring written comments from respondents. The final Google Forms question type is time. This field allows respondents to enter a specific time or duration. It can be used for appointment slots, start times, or tracking time spent on an activity. Respondents can enter times in standard hour and minute formats or provide longer durations. Jotform also supports time fields and combines them with scheduling tools and advanced form settings. Time-based questions are helpful whenever accurate scheduling or duration tracking is important. While Google Forms works well for basic forms and quizzes, some users eventually run into limitations as forms become more advanced. Google Forms includes only 12 question types and lacks some specialized features like slider scales. Jotform offers more flexibility with a wider variety of customizable fields and advanced workflow tools. Some extra capabilities include multi-line questions, form cloning, conditional logic, answer piping, IP address collection, custom form URLs, and payment integrations with services like PayPal, Stripe, and Square. Jotform also makes it easy to migrate existing Google Forms without starting over from scratch. That means you can keep your questions while gaining access to more powerful customization and management features. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and I hope this overview helps you choose the right question types for your next form. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips, and I'll see you in the next video.